You're watching ABC4 News.
We're back with a push underway for men to acknowledge their mental health issues. Professional athletes have actually been a big part in reducing the stigma. ABC4's senior health correspondent Saray Chin has more.
There has been a push to address men and their mental health. We have Dr. Travis Mickelson, the Mental Health Integration Medical Director for Intermountain Healthcare. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Dr. Mickelson, address how sports athletes may be helping to maybe remove some of the stigma that men can't show their emotion or talk about depression or anxiety.
Okay, I'd be happy to. Perhaps I could just start with a couple statistics just to paint this picture. There are over 6 million of us men who are struggling with depression, and the majority of us don't feel comfortable asking for help. And men are 3 to 4 times as likely to die by suicide. They're many times more likely to die by alcohol-related issues. And men are not as comfortable asking for help because of the stigma that we all face in terms of facing or asking help for our mental health concerns, but also this gender role where many of us men have been raised in which we've learned that it's not appropriate to express our emotions. It's not appropriate for us to ask for help. We have this feeling that we just have to do everything on our own, that we can't cry, that we can't be sad, just man up. And that sort of social pressure has been around for generations.
And Dr.
Yes.
Mickelson, it's not like men do not feel these things. They do feel all of the things everyone else does, and it isn't a sign of weakness. How do we help the men and the boys know that it is okay to share their emotions and to also seek help?
Well, this is what's so great about our athletes, our professional athletes who have used their platform of their popularity to share their experience about their own journeys with dealing with depression or anxiety or substance use, because it helps us realize that it's okay. They're being very good role models for us. And as men, we know another statistic that we know is men who do reach out for help, it's usually because another man in their life, someone who they care about, a friend or family member, has asked them to. And so it's so important for us men to be role models so that we can let especially our younger generation of young men appreciate that asking for help does not equal weakness. It's actually a great strength to think that we can ask for help and use others to help us when necessary. And then one other thing, Saray, is that not only is it good for us to ask for help, but it's also one of the common myths is that if I ask or talk to my friend, that's going to put a burden on them. And the reality is we all know that it feels to support others. And so it's really a win-win situation. It helps me getting help, and the person that I'm reaching out to, it makes them feel good and valuable because they're supporting me.
And lastly, we want to mention there is a resource for both men and women to call. It's the Emotional Health Relief Hotline that's set up.
Yes, that would be a great phone number for someone to call who is trying to navigate these resources. The other amazing resource for all of us that does come with less stigma usually is reaching out to your primary care provider. Our primary care doctors and our primary care clinics are resourced and ready and trained to help support us if we need that extra level of support.
Thank you so much for that positive message. That number, I want to repeat, is 10 to 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. That number, 833-442-2211, helping the men and the boys in our lives to open up and to seek help. Thanks again so much.
Thank you.